Metalworking pros, now you can get double cut shear performance in a turbo shear, drill attachment, or air tool. The versatile model TSMD turbo shear drill attachment fits a corded or cordless drill you already own. And a 360-degree rotating collar on the shear's clamp can be set in any direction for optimum work clearance and material flow. A 2600 RPM air-powered model TSMDA is also available. This unit is compatible with your existing shop air supply and offers maximum power and cutting speed in a double-cut style shear. The blades of Malco double-cut turbo shears remove a narrow spiral scrap from the tool path to produce a clean, straight edge on both sides of the cut. These blades can approach a cut from either end to produce a quality workpiece edge. They can also navigate up to 90-degree outside profiles of metal roofing panels or metal ductwork, and are beefy enough to cut through seams. And you can easily disengage Malco double-cut blades from the cutting path. The blades can also be quickly re-engaged to continue cutting. Both double-cut turbo shear models use the same long-lasting blades, which are also easily replaced on the job.
Makita introduces new innovation in fastening, Impact Gold Ultramagnetic Insert Bit Holder. Attach the insert bit holder and get the advantage of ultramagnetic rare earth neodymium. It has 2 times the magnetic strength over standard bit holders and the convenience of one-handed operation with no cam out, even at 2300 RPM. Makita Impact Gold, the new gold standard in impact driving.
Milwaukee Tool introduces the M12 Fuel Installation Drill Driver. Equipped with 4 dedicated solutions, an inline grip, and magnetic bit holder. The Installation Drill Driver is purposely designed to access challenging locations, increasing productivity. Each solution attaches in 16 different positions, and 3 can be added to the right angle attachment for added versatility and increase access to tight and hard to reach places.
Having the drill driver's attachments makes things faster, makes things easy.
It's really nice having those different solutions for the drill because I can swap out the heads very easily and quickly and only have to bring one tool onto the job.
I've accomplished pretty much any installation scenario that's been thrown my way.
It's so versatile, and you don't even know how many ways you can use it when you first look at it. As you use it more and more, you find more places where it's like, wow, it makes this a lot easier.
A huge benefit is clearance, getting in tight spaces. Dash work, confined areas, it really gets a better angle on whatever you're getting at.
Drill body is nice and slim, which keeps profile smaller.
With the head being able to change different directions, you know, it makes the access to the tool that much easier to use.
Any angle, any position you need to be in, the drill can do it.
I was actually pretty amazed at how much power comes out of such a small drill. The 300 inch-pounds is plenty enough to get whatever I need to get done.
I've been more efficient, more productive because it saved me more than a few trips to the truck to get a different, stronger drill because it has the torque that I need.
Instead of buying multiple tools, you have the multiple heads just change out. So instead of purchasing 4 tools, you're purchasing 1 and can do it all.
The ability to speed up installation while maintaining quality work on a job site is critical to any electrician. Saving minutes off repetitive actions can increase the profitability of any project. Reaming conduit and attaching fittings are time-consuming tasks. With the new conduit reaming drill head from Klein Tools, the professional tradesperson will spend a fraction of the time reaming conduit and attaching fittings compared to traditional hand conduit reamers. It's perfect for the medium to large project and a must-have in any electrician's tool bag. Klein Tools designed this new reamer to withstand the force of the most aggressive power tools on the market. Constructed with a 1/4 inch quick release hex, it can install onto any power drill in the field. Within seconds, the newly engineered reaming blade removes the most stubborn burrs on conduit without the strain and fatigue caused by a hand tool. The replaceable driver bit is perfect for installing couplers and connectors without missing a beat. Throughout the design and development process, Klein Tools brought this new product to the field to ensure it met the standards expected by professional tradespeople.
Yeah, definitely more productivity. Like I say, throw a lot more pipe in and you can do all of it in one. With the hand reamer, you kind of have to find the slot on a hand reamer in order to get the set screw. With this, you can see what you're doing. You can torque it down pretty good.
Each tool comes with a blade specifically designed to withstand the high RPMs and force of an impact driver and can be used on 1/2, 3/4, and 1 inch conduit. Blades and bits are easily replaced when they become worn, ensuring quality conduit reaming and fitting installation every time.
An accurate cut edge is critical when downsizing metal roofing panels and making a new bend along the panel's length. Nalco's TurboShear HD drill attachment, shown here, has an 18-gauge cutting capacity in mild steel. This economical Model TS-HD accessory inserts directly into the chuck of a corded or cordless drill you already own. An adjustable clamp fits any motor housing, including compact impact drivers. The shear easily navigates tight curved patterns and square corners. And the clamp's collar allows the shear head to be rotated and set in any position for battery pack or handle clearance when navigating profiles or to facilitate easy material flow for long, straight cuts.
Drilling and tapping holes traditionally required a lot of time and multiple tools to get the job done. Klein's Drill Tap Toolkit features all the tools needed to drill, tap, and deburr in one easy step. Great for aluminum, brass, copper, plastic, and mild steel, and can be used on up to 10-gauge metal. Each tap works easily with the Quick Connect in power tools and is made of high-speed steel for added durability. This convenient kit comes with 6 commonly used tap tools, plus 2 extra of the smaller size taps. The carrying case keeps your taps in one place for immediate access. Multiple tools in one, combined with easy portability and a quality product, makes the Drill Tap Toolkit your go-to.